There are only two big mistakes that you can do as a developer. First, not starting to build and sell your apps and relying on your mind job and salary only, and second, starting to develop in the applications but building apps that no one needs. In this video, I will show you how to validate your app ideas, what tools do I use for research, and what are these questions you must ask yourself before starting up development. I got to Micro license and started to write a rated bikers this summer, so I thought that would be cool to make an app that can earn an Excel 15,000 to buy a motorcycle. motorcycle. So I started to look for right dates and ideally that could be in the motorcycles. Nick 15,000 is a big goal, but I should get it for to 1,000 means first and that it is possible to score it and it can it I decide that I would like to have an app where I could track all the expenses and maintenance needed and already done on motorcycle. So I sketched your interface and started to research compassions. So here are the tools that I'm using for that, and I will show you how I'm doing that. I sketched my app user in search interest in free from and any tool, pen and paper could work as well, but I just like how Greenhouse and my sketches in one place. So idea was that basically, and I have plenty of the current motorcycle because I'm riding for multiple motorcycles and rating them. I would like to keep here expenses like fuel consumption, maintenance, rent expenses, and so on here, and there could be some upcoming maintenance. For example, if I need to do the chain maintenance or change the door, or because I planning to rent motorcycle for a week and ride it to the trails or Apple's year and basically a home button quick entry for F and M settings button on here. So that basically was my raw app and I did of course a research in this app store and I found a few similar motorcycle kind of maintenance application. So what would you do when you do that? You found your compassions you see what that offer and most importantly, yeah, sure. So you are looking on user interface for inspiration, but also very important. You have to go and read the reviews, and I use the app for that. Three is the application name Read Reviews. You can use it for free. There is a paid version as well. I have paid version, and yeah, basically you can see all the reviews for those applications in one place. I just added all the motorcycle apps here, and I was looking for reviews. Also, there is built-in analytic functionality here. You can get AI build kind of suggestions what you would do. You could do what kind of bug reports, and most often seen, and what kind of features users are asking for. So with all this data, I already see that my RPD they kind of make sense. And next question is can I build it true? I can I even kind of jump ADV one step too far and made a quick prototype for this application, but I just wanted to test basically how to use Swift data for that and yeah. Then I started to do keyword research. Basically, that's the next step you would like to do. Sure, you can start with keyword research as well. But yeah, and here is my keyword research. I am using TrainAstro or Astro app for keyword research, and here are my keywords for the app. How do I do that? Basically, I'm just adding new app. You can add temporary application, and in my case that was motorcycle. That's renamed it, added up name, let's say motorcycle maintenance, and basically I'm adding keyword, and I'm just writing in keyword words what I would come in mind. Let's say motorcycle, whatever, log, book, and so on, motor log, whatever. So basically, you are writing in keyword that the application will fish the keywords will show applications that are in the app store, and you can keep writing keywords that come in your mind. I basically did that, but even after first few keywords, you will already see. So here we have motorcycle maintenance. These applications are kind of automating this keyword, but most important thing that you can do here, you can extract all the competitor keywords, and you can basically just go and kind of take word words for you. Let's say connector, yarmulke, likely whatever medicines log, medicines log. Motorcycle stuff like that, you just adding keywords. Okay, you got the point. Basically, I have my keyword here already. As soon as I added all the keywords, what come in mind, I sorted them by popularity to see what I would like to use for my app store search optimization. That's that's a long topic. Do not optimization. That's a long topic. Do not stick on that. But basically, just let's see what keywords are popular here. So the problem is the popular keywords here are one keyword are one word keywords like motorbike, motorcycle, and yeah, this difficulty is quite high as well. So what that means popularity is from 0 to 100, and that means how often these words are how often users are looking for those words for those keywords in the App Store, how often users are searching. And it seems that they are searching for motorcycle and for maintenance. Even title beta 24 is kind of okayish, but motorcycle log book motorcycle maintenance. These are close to zero in interest, so almost no one can search for them, and even this one logbook, basically they are kind of hard to compete keywords, even with so low popularity. Can you build application like that? And in money, probably yes, because for example, I have my free driving application and it is based on kind of lot of popular keywords as well, and that application making some money in the App Store, so you can make application which will makes I don't have 1,000 up to 5,000 immensely revenue based on not very popular keyword. So, but this is already kind of big red flag, right? So I decided to go forward and go deeper in this research and ask it, kind of real motorcycle riders are they use this application because we have application like that in the App Store, right? So here are the here are quite a few applications which are basically providing this functionally and looking for from reviews and feedback. So there is some amount of users who are using that. So I just post a question on Twitter and I asked it. Basically, if you are a motorcycle rider, do you use UPS like that? I make a poll, and here are the results. Basically, 2 hours left from 20 hours, 24 hours of this poll, and yeah, most of the users are saying that no, they are not using applications, and I also got some comments. Bruno is building the applications so one more competitor not release it yet, but here is one app is coming and basically comments are No, no, no. And I asked it also some friends who are riding bicycles, and I asked it in the WhatsApp, and in the one of the motorcycle rider group here in Ville. That group is quite big, about 2,000 plus users in the adventure. Riding motorcycle nature, and I got the answer that no one can use the application like that. Most of the users say that basically you see the fuel consumption and you maintenance progress and uh, progress on speedometer on computer of the motorcycle. One of the users said that he is making records on the wheel of the garage. So it seems that this is not the most popular application in the App Store. So can you make money from that? I don't know. And yeah, here we have basically I still can build this application for myself, right? And there is also nature of the users. There are few users who will use the application and you can make some money from the application. But here are three very important questions to ask before you are jumping on the any application. And first one most important one probably is this vitamin on the or painkiller product. What that means? Basically, painkillers apps solve the huge pain for the customer, and users do not think twice when they have a chance to buy your product because that product solves real pain for them. That basically the same. If you have headache and you can buy a pill to fix that, you do not ask. I don't know how much it will cost. If it's in decent range, you just buying it. You know, vitamin pro products are nice to how you can still make money with it. There are also vitamin industry is huge, but yeah, if you are choosing two different products, work on painkiller product because vitamin products always are harder to sell, and that will be first in the list of cancel subscription in case of any cost cutting. My app about this motorcycle maintenance definitely is in the vitamin category, and even so seems that very few users are using it. The next question is, can you push these products to 1,000? Why 1,000? So from all the app in the App Store, only 177% of the applications are getting to the 1,000 limits, and all of the rest are below that. But these applications which are getting to this 1,000 means monthly recurring revenues They are getting to 2,500 as well, so there is a high chance to grow it. I don't know, to 10,000 in a month as well. So these applications that they have what we have here in the episode, I think that user interface is not so great. I think I could make a better application for these users who need application like that, and I think I could make a few hundred bucks in a month from the application 1,000. That's really hard already. So, and if you already not sure that you can make 1,000 a month, unlikely you will push it forward to make more. So better choose other question product project if you have a chance. The last, but no, not this question. Are you passionate enough about this project to work on it for 6 to 12 months until you will make it profitable, because and likely you will get revenue from this project on day one. Probably you will need to work at least the for the months to see if this project have legs, and then 6 to 12 months to bring it to its potential. If I'm asking myself, I'm not sure if motorcycle maintenance project is one which I would like to work in the winter, in the light winter, without riding motorcycle, and so on. Currently, yes, I am very passionate about this topic, about motorcycles and everything, but that's not really interesting. That's not really interesting application where it improve other kind of users' lives, not scientifically. I don't know. I already kind of after this analytic. I do not feel that I would like to work on those applications, and so probably that this application is going from my motor maintenance journal. Journal probably is going from concept to drop the project. So next time before you are jumping on exciting project, ask the, the, these three questions before you start working on them, and do research. So this is the reason why you need more than one idea to build great and profitable app, and yeah, you need multiple to validate them and easily drop one which is not really promising. If you need help to how to find good app builders, check out this video and you will know how to come up with killer with apples in no time.